What is up, guys? It's Kevin here with LumpiaLife. We are back at the beach house and we're gonna go check on that bamboo that we brought in the other day. It's been a few days. Let's see, I think we brought it in last Friday, and today is Tuesday. So it's been a few days sitting on the beach. Let's go take a look, see what it looks like now. Let's go. So if you saw episode 6 or 5, I believe, this is the fence that we put up, and we're going to do the backside. Let me show you the backside. But you can see the posts that Mario's out there. He's cleaning all the taba off, but you can see these had taba at one time, but it's very good for the termites. So he was telling me that it's like poison for the termites if they try to eat this Hawaiian, this bamboo. So, and then he'll notch a piece, notch a piece, notch a piece, and then these are like, you know, quarter pieces. So, and I'll show you the part that we are building now, which is this back part of our fence. So this will be replaced. It's actually going to be moved out a little bit, so we'll have some more room through here. I believe Mario is going to be storing his nets back here, possibly. There's a deposit right there. A little bit of red horse. This is the inside of the fence of our fence, our new fence from last year. We got some orchids going on. Oh, we even got a little bit of flowers. These weren't flowering last time, so they're yellow. First time we've seen these orchids. This is how they do it. They tie them to the coconut trees. Pretty cool. And we can all say hello to Mary Lou. Kind of a cloudy day today. We got Mario out here working on the bamboo. Taking measurements, cutting it up. Oh, so these are the ones he's already scraped and cleaned and cut. So are these the posts? These are the posts for the fence. So yeah, pretty nice pieces. And then the shells, they come off pretty easy after they've been sitting out for a while. And it's okay if we have some, you know, left on there. But we will continue on with this. So these are the tools he's using to chop it off, get all the shells off, and then the saw, obviously. Nice shirt, Manny Pacquiao. Post number 1 going in. What do you think of that? posts up for the new fence. Behind the new posts is the old fence. So, and there's our beach house. So we're getting them in. They're all in. Mario is chopping out these holes here, and then we're going to slide another piece of Hawaiian bamboo in there, a quarter piece. And then eventually it will look like this. This is our previous fence. So this is what we're building with all that bamboo that we brought in from Masao River, the fish pen. Yard's coming along. Kitchen's coming along. Yeah, coming together. So the panels have been prepared, and we're about to put them in to the fence here. All right, so we got most of the fence in, except the gates. Still need to put in the gates, but this is how we're leveling it. So we put up a piece of nylon here for a guide on the height.